The OnePlus 12 may not have received an official release yet, but that has not stopped OnePlus and its executives from teasing the device. Not only has OnePlus confirmed that the OnePlus 12 will feature a custom Sony Lytia camera sensor, but an executive has also shared a few official sample photos at various focal lengths. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. OnePlus has confirmed initial camera details for the OnePlus 12. To recap, the company has already revealed that the device will utilize a new ultra-bright display, albeit one that falls short of the peak brightnesses offered by the Xiaomi 14 or Xiaomi 14 Pro. Unsurprisingly, the OnePlus 12 will utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a more powerful alternative to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that Qualcomm presented late last month. Moreover, the company has now outlined that its next flagship will showcase a new Lytia camera sensor developed jointly with itself and Sony. Seemingly, the unnamed sensor differs from the Lytia LIT808 in the OnePlus Open, about which OnePlus made bold claims when presenting the foldable in October. As we discussed at the time, the company stated that the Lytia LIT808 could outperform the Sony IMX989 and ISO CELL-HP2 thanks to its dual-layer transistor pixel stacked arrangement, although initial independent tests suggested otherwise. For now, other details about the OnePlus 12's primary camera remain unknown. However, the handset was previously expected to launch with the Sony IMX966, a 50MP sensor with a reported 1/1 4-inch optical format and f1/7 aperture and 23mm equivalent focal length. At any rate, the OnePlus executive has now shared detailed-looking sample images shot with the OnePlus 12 at various focal lengths. Currently, the OnePlus 12 is expected to debut in China next month, but not until early 2024 elsewhere. With OnePlus's focus on the Lytia camera sensor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, what are your expectations for the OnePlus 12's camera capabilities? Do you think it will live up to the hype, especially considering the previous claims about the Lytia sensor's performance? Share your thoughts in the comments and remember to hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech updates. I will see you in next one.